Hey everyone, Ushma this side and welcome back to BaitNext channel. What if I tell you there is a way to edit and recreate your photos effortlessly thanks to the power of AI? Today we are diving into the world of Photo.ai, a groundbreaking online tool that will revolutionize the way you edit your photos. Get ready to discover 5 amazing features that will take your photo editing skills to a whole new level. Use this AI tool, simply visit the website photo.com and it offers a variety of AI features for photo editing all in one place. However, in this video, I will mainly focus on top 5 AI features of this tool that Photo AI offers. Let's start with the first tool, AI Replacer. Select the images as I have selected and go to the AI Replace option. Once you have selected this option, you can adjust the brush size as per your requirement and select the area where you want the replacement. As I have selected head portion, as I wanted to change the hair color, after that click on generate option. Before that, do not forget to describe what changes you need, as I wanted blonde colors on hairs, and then click on generate option until AI is generating. If you want to learn more about AI tools, and there is an amazing workshop with us which we will talk in later part of this video.
Happy New Year! If your resolution for 2024 is getting accelerated career growth along with a good salary hike, then you are at right place. If you want to do the same, you should be learning ChatGPT and AI tools and how you can integrate them for your own advantage.
Generates the two different images, and if you are not satisfied with the two images, you can go with regenerate more options, and now it will generate two more images. You can select whichever you like. Before moving to the next feature, do you know AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time? We have seen so many layoffs, million of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Let's get back to the tutorial. The next is AI background changer. Select the images you want to change the background and go with the zoom out option to resize the image, then simply click on generate options. It starts analyzing and generating images in landscape mode, and here's the result. It has generated two images, and if you don't like it, you can regenerate it. It starts generating with the two more images. Let's move to the third feature. It is AI image generator. It's compilation of actually two features. First, which is text to image, and the another is from image to character. First, we will see the text to image as I have mentioned this prompt. And after that, go to the aspect ratio, select 16:9, select the number of images you want, then click on generate option as AI starts generating the prompt, and here's it generate 3 characters. Now let's move another feature, which is image to character. You can select the image as I have selected Ronaldo's and click on generate option. The AI generates 3 characters of Ronaldo, which is AI animated, and all these features you found in just a single tool. Let's move to the second last feature, which is AI Skin Retouch. This is one of my favorite. Select the image which you want to enhance with AI, go to Skin Retouch option and click on Generate. After touching up, you can check the results. Earlier, the face was full of blemishes, but now it is crystal clear. The result is in front of you. The next and the last is giving AI effect to the beautiful pictures. Let's check this out, and this is also one of my favorite feature, which adds AI effect to your pictures. Select the image and go to the AI effect option as I want pop art. I will simply select on it and it starts generating. Wow, such a beautiful picture I got of pop art. If I can easily change the intensity, reselect several options to explore more features and elements of this AI effect. Let's move to the another feature, which is color splash. Select the images. This option can easily console with the colors. You can also play with this option. You can recreate with your pictures and make it interesting by using all these features of Photo AI. So this is a wrap. Do tell me in the comments section about all these features you have explored. In conclusion, Photo AI is a game changer in the world of photo editing. With its AI powered features, you can effortlessly edit and recreate your photos like never before. From the AI replacer to automatic background removal, space swap facing, removing unwanted objects, and transforming text to stunning images and animations, Photon AI has it all. And while you are at it, do not forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and comment down below with your thoughts and experience. This was Ushma signing off until next time.